Alright guys, welcome back to 𝖩force Gaming. And are you currently having a device or an iPhone device that is currently managed by an organization, a school, or someone else? Well, this is a very common issue if you have bought a phone from the secondhand marketplace, or even from someone else, or even from organizations, all this and that, where they're selling away their phones or used by their employees, all this and that. And when you're trying to use certain things or do certain things, you're being restricted because of the remote management lock, which is being still being managed by organization or schools, all this and that. So today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can remove this thing so that you guys can have your own phone, all right, have your own personalized phone without being managed or monitored by any other organization. So today I'm going to show you how you guys can do that to remove it, all right, and it is with the help of this software right here. So this is the Mac phone iPhone unlocker, all right. I personally use this to remove MDM lock on my own iPhone itself, because I bought a phone from a school which I think they're changing out their phone, maybe they're upgrading or something. So I bought it as a second-hand phone for myself, but I realized there's a lot of restrictions, a lot of things I cannot use, cannot sign in, because it's being managed by the school itself. So I was like looking around, seeing any other solutions to that, and I found this iPhone unlocker, or the Mac phone iPhone unlocker, and I was curious, downloaded it and see if it works. And in the end, it works. This turns out really great. I can remove the MDM lock on my phone, and I can use it on my own phone as my own phone, or I sign my own Apple account, all this and that, without being your phone being monitored or being managed anymore. So which is really amazing. Hence, I'm sharing this with you guys. So if you guys are facing any of this similar problem like mine, or you guys can use this Mac phone iPhone unlocker 2, to remove MDM lock on your phone itself. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys the software itself, what the features it has, and followed by a quick demonstration of the whole removing process itself. So without further ado, let me just go and show you guys the software itself. Let's go. Alright, so as you guys can see right behind me, this is the software itself. And you guys can see it has a lot of other features as well. So if you have other issue with your iPhone, all this and that, well, you guys can always use this software to help your friends or family, or even next time you have any other issue with your phone or your iPhone, you guys can use this to bypass any of the issue that you have. As you guys can see, you can unlock of iOS screen, unlocking of Apple ID without password, removing your iCloud activation lock. This is the one we're focusing on today. Password manager, removing of iTunes backup encryption. Well, there's also another feature which is really awesome. As well as unlocking your screen time passcode. As you guys can see, they have so many features over here, so that you guys can help anyone with any other issues they have. So today we're going to talk about removing your MDM, and how you guys can do that is just to click on this one, just to connect your phone to your device, to your PC or your laptop, and it should auto detect, and you'll boot your phone to DFU or as well as recovery mode, and just follow some on-screen instructions, and you guys can get MDM removed from your phone in less than 20 minutes time, which is really amazing. So right now I'm going to show you guys the full demonstration itself, so you guys can see how easy and how straightforward the whole unlocking process is. And you guys can see for yourself the whole process itself. So without further ado, let me just go and show you guys the demonstration itself. Let's go. Well, as you guys can see, I have an affected iPhone here, which says, remote management, is required and allow this organization to set up email and network accounts, install and all this and that, which is what I don't want it. So because I don't want to, this is my personal phone, I ain't having, any organization managing my device right here. So right now I just have to connect, the iPhone to my PC itself, and after that I just need to go to the software itself, click on remove MDM. And after that, you guys can see auto detect my phone, and just click on start. You guys can see you start removing the mobile device management. At this time, my phone should stay, restore in progress, and should reboot a few times. You guys can see the Apple logo a few times, and once it's done, it will say remove successfully. So this is the whole process itself. So once it's done, let me just go back to my iPhone. You guys can see my iPhone should reboot back into the welcome screen again. And I can just include my passcode. It says restore completed, and ask me to set up my Face ID, all this and that. As you guys can see, there is no more ask me to enroll this phone into mobile device management anymore. And you guys can see I am back to the welcome screen. And now I'm in the home screen itself. So right now I can just go to the settings itself. And after that, VPN and device management. You guys can see there is no work or organization, school account, work account, that is being actively managing the device anymore. So it's completely removed, and I can use my phone as per normal right now. So this is how incredible and how straightforward the whole removing of MDM lock is. So after you have seen the whole process itself, is very straightforward, very easy to do. Alright, all you just need to do is you need to have a PC or laptop, and you guys can just do it at the comfort of your own home, and you don't really have to do a lot of things. Or just let the software do its job. You don't have to be really tech savvy to do so. And the best part about this is you don't even have to go to the actual organization or the school itself to unlock it, which is really amazing. Or you have to go to third-party unlocker where they will charge you 3 to 4 times the price, and they're probably using this same software itself, and you're wasting your time, your trip, your petrol costs, going back and forth, all this and that. Where with this software itself, the Mac phone, iPhone unlocker, you guys can do it at the comfort of your own home in less than 20 minutes time. You guys can start using it right away. How amazing is that? So that you have seen from the whole demonstration itself, and you can't wait to get the MDM lock removed from your phone, well, you guys can go ahead and check out this software itself, the Mac phone, iPhone unlocker. I'll link them the first link in the description down below for you guys to go ahead and check it out and get it for yourself right away and start removing any MDM lock that you have on your phone right away, and you guys can start using your iPhone as per normal instantly. So this is really, really amazing. And this software also includes a lot of other features. So next time you have friends or family who are facing these same issues, well, you guys can obviously use this to help them remove any of the issues that they have on their iPhone itself, which is really, really incredible. Very generous of them to include so many features for this software itself. Alright, and so once again, we'll check out this Mac phone, iPhone unlocker and start removing your MDM lock device right now. You guys can go check out the first link in the description down below and get this for yourself right now. So if you found this video really interesting and did help you out, do give it a thumbs up and comment down below which phone and model and iOS version that you're using, so people will know which phone has been unlocked before. And so yeah, that's all for today, guys, and this is 𝖩forcegaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.